In this video, we will see how to generate a condition map. The condition map shows the degradation of concrete or steel at or above the first rebar layer. It displays normalized amplitude values of the recorded response at each detection point. Assuming those points from the first rebar layer are at the same depth, low values should indicate higher likelihood of a deteriorated condition at or above the rebar level. The condition map can be accessed from the Analytics tool on the toolbar under the Concrete menu. For more information on the Data Analytics tool, please watch the Data Analytics video. Select the desired quality for the map to generate. When generating any map from Analytics, a message appears on the top to let you know that the hyperbola detection has started, and the first rebar layer appears on the Insights section on the left panel. During calculations, a progress sphere will appear next to the first rebar layer. You can still use the interface to perform other processing or visualization tasks during calculations. When the map is ready, a message will appear at the top of the window. Click on the item to display the map on the Slice View window. By hovering over or right-clicking on the condition map item, options for deleting, showing, or hiding the map appear. Select the map item to show its information section on the right panel. From here, you can change the color map used or adjust the limits of the color map. By hovering over the cyan vertical lines, you can check the high and low limits. You can also select the search radius and the cell size, make the condition map transparent, check the calculated area for different amplitude values, and add comments associated with the condition map. You can also export the condition map. This will export a compressed zip file that includes a PNG image with the map, but also a CSV file with the normalized amplitude values and their corresponding XY coordinates.